Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Arora, Assistant Professor in CEC Department, ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So in today's video lecture, we will be discussing about min terms, max terms, sum of product terms and product of sum expression from the unit Boolean algebra. So in this video tutorial, we will be covering what is the meaning of min term, what is the meaning of max term, and why do we use min terms and max term, what is the use of them. And then we will study about product of sum and sum of product expressions and how we can convert sum of product expression into product of sum and vice versa. And we will be covering various different examples to understand that what all possible questions can be asked in your AKTU exam. So first of all, what is min term? Min term is the product of various different literals where each literal occurs exactly once. Now, what is the meaning of this? Let us understand. Suppose we have two variables, right? We have a function of only two variables. So what all can be the possible value of these two variables? These two variables are also called as literals, right? So it can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Now, how we can represent this in the form of min term? Min term is also called as the product term, right? Whereas the max term is called as the sum term. Right, let us understand this. Product term. While forming the min term, we can take the value of actual variable as 1 and its complemented form as 0. This is in the case while we need to form the min term, right? And for the max term, what we can do, we can take the value of actual variable as 0 and its complemented form as 1. So now, while forming min term here, both the values of a and b are 0. So what will be the min term? Here, the min term will be a bar, b bar. Here, the value of a is 0 and b is 1. So using this concept, we can form here a bar, b. Similarly, a, b bar, here A, B. Now, as you can see, these terms are the product of two literals, either in the direct form or in the complemented form. Here, both the literals are in their complemented form. Here, A is in its complemented form, whereas B is in the direct or actual form. So, this is how we form the min terms. That is also called as the product terms. Now, in case of max terms, what we will do, we will use this concept that both the values of A and B are 0. So here we will be writing it like this. This is sum term, right? Here we will write A plus B bar. Here A bar plus B. And here it will be A bar plus B bar, right? This is how we form the min term and the max terms. Second point, each individual term in standard SOP is also called as min term. We will understand this term standard SOP later in this video lecture. One more important point to discuss here is that the min term are always represented by small m, whereas the max term is represented by capital M. Right? Third point, to represent a function, we perform the sum of min terms, also called as sum of product terms. This also we will elaborate in the further slides. The output result of min term function is always 1. While forming the K map, we always place a 1 whenever we need to put the value for the min term. Now let us take this example. We have been given a Boolean expression and we have to write it in the form of minterm and minterm expressions. So let us do. Now, this is a function of three variables, right? X, Y, Z. There are three literals, and this is the function of three variable, and these are the terms given. So how we can convert it into the min terms? Now, we all know if we form the truth table for three variables, X, Y, and Z, the possible values will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. This is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Total 8 terms. If we have three variables, then there will be total 8 possible combinations, right? We already know this. So here, we already know that in case of min terms, we represent the actual variable as 1 and the complement of that variable as 0. So here x, y, and z both are in the complemented form. So what will be the binary term? Here it will be 0, 0, and 0. Again here 1, 0, 1. Here 1, 1, 0. And here it will be 1, 1, and 1. Right. So now, what is this in decimal form? 0, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7 in the binary form. So, we can write it like this, that f of x, comma, y, comma, z is equal to summation. Now, whenever we are writing the expression for min terms, we use the symbol summation. Summation, that is m0, comma, m5, comma, M6, comma, M7. So the given Boolean expression is now being converted into the min terms. These are the following min terms, right? And the expression, the symbol used to denote min terms, collection of min terms is this summation, right? Coming to the max terms, again, for two variable, we have already discussed how we can form the max terms, and we generally represent the max term by capital M. Like we say that f is a function of two variables, a comma b. So if we write it like this, a plus b multiply a plus b bar. This is an example of max term. This is one max term and this is another max term. We will further study about this. So let us take the example how we can convert a sum of product to product of sum expression. Now, यहीं से हम ये भी समझ सकते हैं कि sum of product क्या होता है. See, this is a Boolean expression and it is sum of product terms. These are all the product terms. Min terms are also called as product terms and they are connected via plus in between them. So it is called as sum of product terms. Now, how we can convert it into product of sum terms, that is max terms, collection of max terms. Let us see. Now, as we know that it is a three variable Boolean expression, so total will be 8 possible combinations from 0 to 7, right? So this is sum of product. Now we can find out the min terms from this expression, that is 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 1 and 1. This is your decimal 0. This is your 2. This is 3, 5 and 7. Now, how we can write it? That y is equal to, or we can say y, which is a function of three variable a, b, c, can be expressed as the collection of the following min terms, that is m0, m2, m3, m5 and m7. right? Now from here we can easily find out the max terms. Max terms are represented by the symbol pi. And now see, total we have M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and M7. These will be the min terms as we have seen previously from the three variable table. So those which are missing in this min term expression will be the part of the max term expressions, right? So M0 is there, M1, M2 is there, M3, now M4 will be here, M5, there, M6, M7 is already there. So these will be the max terms. Next example. Obtain the canonical sum of product of the function y a comma b, that is a plus b. So y have been given a function with two literals a and b. Now what is the canonical sum of product? Canonical, actually we already know that in the Boolean expression we have two types of canonical forms, that is sum of product and product of sum, or we can say standard SOP or standard POS. So now y is equal to a comma b is equal to a plus b. Now we have been given that this is a sum of product terms. Okay? This is sum and this is product term. Now we can see that this product term is comprising of only one variable. B is missing. B, and here A is missing. Now we know that min terms always comprise of both the literals, either in the direct form or in the indirect form. So what will be, so if we have two variables, then what can be the min terms? So min terms can be A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, and A, B. But here we have been given the product term as only single variable. So what we can write, A dot 1 plus B dot 1. Now in place of 1, see here we can get B or B bar. As you can see, with A, B bar can also come, with A, B can also form the min term. So here we can write it like this. With B, right? With B, A bar can also come, and with B, A can also come. So it can be A plus A bar. So we will open this expression, A, B bar, A, B plus A bar, B. Now, we already know from the Boolean identities that A plus A is always equal to A. So, we can write it like this, AB, that is plus AB bar and A bar B. Now, this is your canonical sum of product. Sum of product term, and each product term is having both the variables either in the direct form or in the complemented form. Next example. We have to convert the product of sum expression to the truth table, right? So we already know that if we have three variables, the values are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, right? So, and also we know that in product of sum form, we take the actual variable as 0 and the complemented form as 1. So here we can see that this is 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 1, 0. This 0, 1, 1. And this is 1, 0, 1. And this will be 1, 1, 0. So in the decimal form, this is 0, this is 2, 3, 5, and 6. So here we will write, as we are talking about product of sum. So we can represent it like capital M, that is M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and M7. So what all max terms have been covered here? First of all, 0. So we will place a 0 here because the result of the product of sum expression is always 0 and the result of midterm expression is always 1. Next is 2. So we will place here 0. So the output, right? The output of this function f will be this. 3, it will be 0, 4. So next term is 5 and next term is 6. So these are your max terms and the rest of them will be the min terms. So this is how we can form the truth table for the given product of sum expression or the sum of product expression. And if we have been given the truth table, like again, if we have been given the truth table, say for example, 3 variable, and we have been given the values, that is the output values like 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, something like that. So he is asking that find out the min term expression and find out the max term expression. Okay. So how we can find the min terms? F of A, B, C. That is submission. So this is what all the possible min terms. This is your min term, min term, min term, and min term. So this is if I index it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So summation of M1, M2, M4, and M5. These are your min terms and max term. F of A, B, C, that is pi. We generally use the symbol pi for the max terms. Max term will be M0, M3, M6, and M7. You can also convert these min terms into the expression. Suppose that we have to convert this M1. M1 can be written as A bar, B bar, C plus, as we are talking about sum of min terms, so we will place the symbol plus here. M2. M2 will be A bar, B, C. Similarly, M4. M4 will be A, B bar, C bar. And M5. M5 will be A, B bar, C. Similarly, here M0. M0 can be written like this. A plus B plus C. M3. M3 will be written as A plus B bar plus C bar. M6 will be written as A bar plus B bar plus C, and M7 will be written as A bar plus B bar plus C. So this is how we can form the min terms and max terms, right? So these are the references that we have taken to create this content for you. Thank you.